Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, CVS was crazy fantastic. Like, I added everything up a couple of times because I thought I had to have it wrong. I got all of this stuff for free and made over $21 buying it all. So super excited to tell you about it. Just amazing deals. So let's jump straight into it. These Hallmark bags, talked about it last week. The same deal is going on again this week. If your store sells these small Hallmark bags at 49 cents each, go ahead and pick up 3 of them for a total of $1.47. I had no coupons for this. Once I checked out, I got $3 in extra care bucks back, making my final cost completely free and $1.53 moneymaker. Now, let's talk about my favorite deal, I think. And I got it all completely free and made $10 buying it, but I didn't even buy the cheapest product possible. I've told you this before, but I'm going to go ahead and say it again, especially if you're new. I know there's a lot of new people watching. When I buy the CoverGirl products, the cheapest product you can buy are those like eyebrow pencils, but I don't use them. So I'm not gonna buy them just because it's the cheapest thing. So I've been buying the black eyeliner, doesn't matter what color. They're a little bit more expensive. They're $6.99. So I purchased 3 of these this week. So $6.99 times 3, that's gonna get me over $20, which I needed to do because I have a $6 off a $20 CoverGirl CRT. Now we all got a $5 off CoverGirl CRT. I also had a $4 digital coupon off of any eye product, as well as 2 $3 coupons from the recent Smart Source insert. So that all added up together means I paid nothing for these products and I got back a $10 extra care buck. So hello, $10 moneymaker on makeup. Amazing deal. Definitely run in and pick this up if you want to and you have those coupons. Awesome, awesome deal. Now, another super easy deal is on these Gillette foams. These are buy one, get one half off. Buy 3, get $8 in extra care bucks back. So my store has these priced at $4.39, and I think my store is on the high side price-wise, so your store may be even less expensive. But I got 2 at $4.39. The third one, or the second one, I guess, however you want to look at it, one is going to ring up half price at $2.19. I paid $10.97 for all 3, getting back $8 in extra care bucks, making my final cost $2.97 for all 3 of them. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind with this. I paired this with a spend 40, get $11 off CRT, and I'm going to tell you how I put that all together here in just a moment. But if you have a shave CRT, you could also add this into another shave deal, making it an even better deal if that's something you're looking to do. Let's talk about the deodorant next, because this was a fantastic deal. The Axe products, as well as a number of body products, are spend 25, get $10 in extra care bucks. I decided to do it with the Axe deodorants because I had Ibotta offers as well as Fetch Reward offers on these. So here's how it breaks down. My store has these deodorants priced at $8.99. Okay, so I bought 2 at $8.99. The other 2 are going to ring up half price because they're buy one, get one half off. So 2 at $8.99, 2 at $4.49. Now I had a $12 off a $30 Axe purchase CRT. So I had to spend a little bit more money to get to that $30. So I picked up one of these body sprays priced at $5.99. Okay, so 4 deodorants, 1 body spray. My total before coupons was $32.96. I had that 12 off 30 CRT, as well as a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Axe. So just 2 coupons there. I paid $17.96. I got back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $25. I got back $4 on Ibotta, $1 for each of the deodorants. And then I got back $7.50. That was $1.50 back on each of these products. as well as $2 back on Fetch because I had a second offer for 50 cents back and it applied to the deodorants only. So that all added together made everything completely free and a $5.54 moneymaker. Just amazing deal on the Axe products. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt, and I'll be talking about a couple of Fetch deals. Well, I might as well talk about the other one now. These Dove hand washes. These are the deep moisture hand wash. 2 for $8. With CVS this week, when you buy 2, you're going to get $3 in extra care bucks. I didn't have any coupons for these, so I legit paid $8 at the register. I got back $3 in extra care bucks for buying the 2. I got back $3 on Ibotta, $1.50 for each, and then I got back $2.50 on Fetch Rewards, which was $1.25 each, making my final cost for both of them completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. I also picked up this Eucerin Hydrating Cleansing Gel because this product is giving back a $4 extra care buck. It's $10.99, and I noticed I had 2 different coupons, and I popped this in with my Spend 40 deal. So $10.99 minus a $3.50 digital coupon, as well as a $2 digital for the Eucerin product. So I paid $5.49, got back $4 in extra care bucks, making it $1.49. Now the Crest deal, I almost didn't think of this until I realized it was a limit of 2 instead of a limit of 1. It's buy 2, get 3, and if you buy 4, you're going to get $6 in extra care bucks. So this is how the math works out. Buy 4 of them at $3.49. There's a $7 digital and a $1 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5.96, but you'll get $6 in extra care bucks back, making them all completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. So last week and the week before, CVS emailed me a coupon for $11 off a $40 purchase. I showed y'all last week how to make sure you're signed up for the email and text coupons, but I can drop that link down in the comments again below if you want to make sure you are signed up for the text and email coupons. But I used that Spend 40 get $11 off on these products. I grabbed the Crest, the Gillette, the Dove, and the Eucerin, okay? So all of those added together after coupons, I paid $19.42. I got back $8 in extra care bucks for the Gillette. I got back $4 in extra care bucks for the Eucerin. I got $3 in extra care bucks for the Dove, as well as $3 on Ibotta and $2.50 on Fetch for the Dove. And then I got back $6 in extra care bucks for the Crest. That made my final cost for all of those products I just talked about completely free and a $7.08 moneymaker. Crazy, crazy awesome deal. Now, y'all know I love a good Poise deal. By the way, if y'all have seen that commercial, it cracks me up every time. It's like she's got poise in her pants. I just think that is the weirdest commercial line ever. Plus it sounds like poison. I don't know. If y'all have seen the commercial, let me know what you think. I think it's crazy. Okay. These again are more expensive at my store than most other stores that I've seen. These are $8.29 at my store. Okay. I bought 2 of them. That's $16.58. I had a $4 off a $12 One by Poise CRT, as well as 2 different $5 off 2 digital coupons. They both came off. So I paid $16.58, but I had $14 in coupons. So that made it $2.58 or just $1.29 per box. So a great deal if that's a product that you need. Check your Fetch Rewards and your Ibotta to see if you have offers on those. That's a common product that I see on both of those apps. I just didn't have any offers for them. So when I add everything up, like my Spend 40 deal was a $7 moneymaker, the CoverGirl was a $10 moneymaker, the Axe was a $5. I mean, just a ridiculously good week over at CVS. It was all free and I made $21. Holy cow. And to be honest with you, it's kind of an amazing week already because Walgreens was fire today as well. So if you haven't checked out my Walgreens haul, definitely do that. Clearly, this was a great week at CVS, and I'm hoping to see additional offers pop up throughout the week. One last couple of things I guess I want to mention. I've talked about the CarePass a little bit. There's still an offer for trying out that first month for free. So if you've been on the fence with CarePass, it's a great time to try it out. I will drop a link below that allows you to try out the CarePass free for the first month. After that, you pay $5 a month or $48 for the entire year. But every month you get $10 in extra care bucks. So it completely pays for itself and you end up making money on the deal if you use that $10 every month. Mine just hit again and I used it to cover this stuff that I bought today. The other thing I want to mention, and I need to look at when this deal ends, if you like Sirius XM radio or you've always wanted to try it out, I have a link where you can try it completely free for 3 months. No credit card information required. You just get to try it out free for 3 months. So if you're interested in that, again, I will drop a link down in the video description box and y'all can have some awesome car music for a few months completely free. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. If you found another amazing deal at CVS, please share it with us. I would love to see that. Drop them in the comments. Thanks.